Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another daily video here and a compilation of multiple Toyota Tacomas. This red Tacoma right here is going with our 3-inch front strut spacer and a 1.95-inch rear lift block with extended U-bolts. We're also installing some new wheels and tires on this, going with some field vectors in a 17 by 8.5 plus 7 offset with some 285 70-17 Falcon Wild Peak AT3W tires. This is pretty much the most cost-effective way to lift your truck about 3 inches and to clear some 33-inch equivalent tires with some name brand wheels and Falcons. If you have a Tacoma and want something like this done, we always have it in stock. Just give us a call and we'll get you set up. This magnetic gray metallic TRD Sport Tacoma is coming in for a Bilstein 5100 setup with Oldman EMU lift springs and a rear Adaleaf. Also installing some SPC ball joint upper control arms on here and doing a cap mount chop with some custom pinch weld work done. That way we can fully clear some 285 70-17s on a -10 offset wheel with an 8.5 width. Now back over to our red Tacoma. This one with a spacer lift is going with a 3-inch front strut spacer as we mentioned earlier, and our 1.95 to be exact, 1.95-inch rear lift block with extended U-bolts. With the specs on our specific kit, your 2018 and newer Tacomas with TSS will not malfunction. Our kits are designed to make the truck look as level as possible and still work perfectly fine with the factory Toyota safety sense system. 88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to give us a call anytime or message us through the contact form by clicking on the link in the description below. These are the super clean, super simple, and super classic field vector wheels. These come in a 17 by 8.5 size with a +7 offset. As you can see, we're mounting up a set of 285 70-17 Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws on here. We also swapped over the factory TPMS sensors, so the system works completely normal with the new wheels and tires. Are you guys into FJ Cruisers? Have you seen my video posted yesterday? This is my personal FJ Cruiser. I had an update video published yesterday on it. Up, we have this cement gray Tacoma. This one's getting a TRD Pearl style grille with TSS garnish. We're also installing a 32-inch LED light bar, as you can see here. This bar goes behind the grill, as you can see, and we're installing an OEM style switch. Had to do some modifications there, but the switch looks like it's OEM once installed. Over to the MGM Tacoma, these are the VTX Terra wheels in a bronze finish that we're installing on there. These are a 17 by 8.5 size with a -10 offset. 285 7017 BF Goodrich all-terrain KL2 tires are going on there. Light bar is all wired up, and here's the light bar turned on. Back over to the MGM Tacoma, this one's ready to be pulled out as well. We have another MGM Tacoma coming in today also. The next one's getting a full Kings package. That one's getting a Kings 2.5 remote reservoir front coilovers adjusted to about 3 inches of lift, King 2.5 remote reservoir rear shocks, Camberg tubular uniball upper control arms, and our add-a-leaf system in the rear. In addition to that, we'll also be installing some 17-inch wheels and tires. The Method NVs are going on here. These are the MR305s in a 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. This one's going to be done in bronze with some BF Goodrich all-terrain KL2 tires as well. 285 70 17 will be the size. If you have a Tacoma and want to get some work done by us, we are located in South El Monte. Reach out to us anytime and we'll get you set up. Well, we greatly appreciate you giving us some time today and watching our video. We greatly appreciate that. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell also. That way you'll get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. We're going to be publishing a 4Runner compilation video tomorrow, so if you guys are into 4Runners, you're not going to want to miss that.